Hello, everybody. Hope that you are doing well and welcome to the first video of this new live trading series that we have going to have going on here over on YouTube. I will start off by just making sure everything sounds good. If you can just drop a comment and say, hello, 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 sound is good, we're all in order, and we will start today's stream. It's going to be a good one. As I've been talking you through, I have created a brand new $100,000 trading account. And the plan is simple, to trade this on live stream with you all. So, of course, very important to clear up why I am going to be doing this, and also the two trading accounts that I have in my possession right now. And that is account number, well, first of all, it's going to be focused on cryptocurrency. So I hope we got a lot of crypto fans in the house. As you all know, if you are new here, I love cryptocurrency. If you've been here for a while, you know how good I trade cryptocurrency. I am truly just a technical trader. I'm not here for the fundamentals. I'm here for the technical analysis, the charts, and simply just extracting profit from this market like a stone cold sniper with some of these entries that I've been getting. So yeah, we got that going on. And the two accounts that I have running then, to give you a little bit of background information on how this is going to be run. So I have a conservative, conservative account. Let's just simply put it as this. This is a conservative account. I'm currently on a 100% win rate. This is after 12 trades in total, 11 longs, one short. That was a very quick in and out short. But really simply, this account has only been running since the 29th of May. We're today on the 11th. So this is literally just 2 weeks old, just under 2 weeks old. And we're currently on $500 profit. These are all of the trades that I have taken on the account. And this is my conservative, slow, style of trading. So this account, I've only actually been trading with around $3,000. Okay, that's what I've been trading with. The position size is $3,000. So you can, just to clear this up, why this account is smaller, because I wanted to make this like really relatable. So I know most people aren't going to have $100,000 to put into a trading account, right? So this is going to be my aggressive. Okay, so the smaller account, relatable, conservative. This is where I'm just going to come in, take some trades, have some fun, and show you how to be very, or how I like to be aggressive on the trades, right? And this is just a big account, show some numbers. It's going to be a lot of fun that we're going to have here on YouTube. My plan is to do 2 live streams at least a week. So I'm going to really try and hold myself to this. This is something that I want to do. I'm finding it very fun. And I think what we as like a community can really grow from this in terms of, I truly think you're going to learn a lot and you're going to have a lot of fun by watching me take these trades, right? So it's going to be a really, really nice series. And so, of course, this is series episode 1 of what I want to last for years into the future, right? So I'm going to be doing at least 2 a week here, and it's going to be aggressively trading, locking in some lovely gains, right? And yeah, so this is the aggressive account. And then what I'm doing more for the champion members is running this conservative account. I'm like lining my trades up, a few days in advance, week in advance. And then I'm just remaining very patient, waiting for those, what we call golden stellar entries, right? So only taking the best trades. And then we can weigh up, in a year's time, what was the results on this conservative, slow, steady, how I really preach, okay? We can see the account gains versus the account gains on a very aggressive lower term time frame trading account. Okay, so currently, as mentioned, this is on a 100% win rate. In 2 weeks of trading, we're up this is actually up $700 because today I made $271 trading Pepe. So in total, we're actually looking at around, coming on $800 of profit in 2 weeks on this account. Again, 100% win rate, not taking a single loss. And this just goes to show you what you can do when you're slow, steady, waiting for the very best trades. Okay, and then on the flip side, we're going to have this account, which we're going to be looking through and going through today, of the aggressive, just looking for those quick in and out type trades. I think it's going to be very fun, very educational, and Yeah, I want to say one final thing before we actually get into it. And that is my reasonings of wanting to run this account. And there are a few different reasons, and they are truly very important. Okay, reason number one. I, of course, in the past have done my own challenges. I've done a one, actually, and it was a 1 to 10 Bitcoin challenge. In the end, of course, I brought it to like 20 Bitcoin, but I've done a 1 to 20 Bitcoin challenge. We done another challenge, which was $10,000. I brought that to $1 million. So I've done challenges very similar to this before. Okay, and I've seen over the, I've been doing this on stream, for the past 5 years. Of course, I've been trading actually closer to 14 years, but I haven't been streaming during the whole of that time, right? But for the past 5 years, I've been streaming, and the game has changed a lot. Okay, so back like 3 or 4 years ago, when I was doing these really, challenges to myself, but also documenting the process. Okay, I've seen like through time, there has been more and more and more scammers coming into this space. And I'm telling you that it's become very hard to recognize who is legit and who is a scammer. And I really think the only way to bring light to what is a very sad situation right now is by making the game step up a level. So right now we have people truly faking accounts. You're able to generate just really big fake results. Okay, and that is why the need of running an account, this same account every week. Okay, building it up, showing all the orders, being the very keyword transparent. Very transparent and honest, because I'm telling you, be careful. I was genuinely surprised by some of the people that I've actually found out are truly faking all these things, and it is just mind-blowing. And that is why I'm putting myself up to this new challenge with the hopes that people are going to follow suit, because I don't think they will, because I truly do. I want to say no, but there's just have a very high likelihood that when you see trading results, they're fake. Seriously, it's very worrying. It's very worrying. So my mission with this is to bring the whole game up a level, want people to follow suit, and we'll see if that happens or not. But at the end of the day, we're going to have fun on this account. And if we manage to make the space more transparent and honest during this process, well, that's a win really for everybody. Everybody can win off of this if people maintain the same transparency and honesty with their trading accounts. I don't think they will. That time will tell. So with that said, let's get over onto the charts. So the first thing that we need to do is get onto the charts, right? So we had a very nice move today on Bitcoin. Bitcoin large move to the downside. This really stemmed from a really simple impulse. Then we moved, I will look at Flocky, really simple impulse move, bit of a retracement. And in the champions group, I was calling this for an ABC correction. So ABC correction. So we simply had our first move down, up, and then back down. Target of this, of course, is a 1-to-1 extension target. Okay, so we have the length of A up to the top of B, and we are at right now this extension target. What don't I like about Bitcoin right now? Honestly, that once again slightly front runs $60,000. So it actually came to $66,010. Okay, so $66,010. So this for me is one thing where I use my intuition and just statistical based analysis that I have built over the past years of trading Bitcoin, right? And I know when I see a front run by $10, there's no guarantees, and I know the market dynamics are changing. That is something that I am very much aware of. Because I'm here every single day, I'm very much aware of the dynamics are changing, and we are starting to see front runs. But I'm still going off of my statistics that I have backed up right now. And that is I am expecting another move to the downside here on Bitcoin, purely, if I'm honest, based off of the fact that we front run $66,000, big psychological number, by $10. Okay, for me, this is not likely to hold, and I am expecting another move to the downside, which we could be seeing right now. Okay, so that means I am going to be looking to short the market here. Again, I would not class this as a FOMO short. This is just a day trade, short trade. I do think we're reaching an area of support. Doesn't mean that I'm going to be scared to short. I would be waiting for a rally though. So we have a few different options, and I think what we're going to be seeing here. So yeah, we've just, half an hour ago, we bashed into the CC for this next move to the downside. But what we can recognize here over the past 24 hours is it's just been a very strong lower low, lower high, lower low. Look at this, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Just ultimately big series of lower highs going on here, right? So I am thinking for the best short trade entry today is off of the VWAP. Okay, that does require a little bit of a rally, but a rally into the VWAP right now, I'm very comfortable in shorting. Okay, and if we can get this happening on stream today, absolutely perfect. But that is the short that I am looking to take on stream. So you are aware, I probably need to like calm it down and slow it down a little bit, right? Yeah, really simply, what I'm looking at is to short this level. If you are unaware that my style of trading, the way that I do it is I place an alert, I wait for that alert to go off, I come over and I will check the order flow. And this is what I call making an informed decision. I will look at the trade count, the time of that candle, and pair that with the open interest and the delta. Those are the four main factors that I look at in what I class making an informed decision of whether, once that alert goes off, whether I will lock in the short trade if we get some nice order flow into that high, or whether I decide alert's gone off, things are looking good, bullish, continuation, and not take that short. That's what I look for, and that's why I like to place my alerts rather than aggressively entering unnecessarily, let's say. So that's what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. And to the downside, I have got a target as well. So that's where I'm looking for my short. Really would love to see this hit during stream. And for the downside, I'm actually waiting right now for around $65,000. So I've got my alert for the short of the intraday session VWAP. Then I got my alert for the long off of around this daily naked point of control, daily level. Also sitting around a CC here, okay, which is from the last pivot low to high. If you've been following along, you will know I have been trading a butterfly harmonic, which on my main account, I still have my short in because this $1 front run thankfully didn't hit it. But really simply, we have had this going on, taking very long to play out. But whether technically it's still in play, right? And the target of this is from C to D, the CC. Okay, so we got all that going on of why I'm looking for this support further down and where I'm looking for my next short trade. So I hope that makes sense. With that said, let's see if we can trade some alts. Flocky. So this is what we just had the alert going off on. Let me just give a quick review of this. So we were looking at this into the point of control. I would put on an anchored VWAP from this low. So we got this coming up into anchored VWAP. Let me see, overall very bullish trend. Then what I will do is I'll pull the uptrend. So the uptrend point of control is much lower. What I will do now is pull a CC. So yeah, right now that alert's gone off simply because we've just hit into the point of control. So for me, this is not a long because only one level, but also because of the fact Bitcoin, I am still further expecting a drop to the downside, to be honest with you. So let's see what else we got going on then here. Pepe. Oh wow, AVAX is really broken down here. AVAX I took a long on and obviously closed in profit, and now that's breaking down, so that's cool. Oh, things are getting interesting here. Jamsey. So on Jamsey, we are coming down right here to the absolute lows. This is like a mini range that I've been looking at. Also looking at Brett. Where I got this is like a mini channel. So we have got a lot of things coming to entry here. I'm looking for one more move to the downside on Brett. What my idea is on Brett is Bitcoin, another move to the downside. And Brett, very similar, another move to the downside. I'd like to see that line up together to take that long trade on Brett. Let me just see what else we got going on. H-bar. Coming down on Phantom. We could get a long trade here on Phantom off of the lows, right? was looking at this as kind of like an A, B, C, D, E triangle for continuation. So we need to hold the low high here. Let's have the alert set this. So I'm hoping we get something come off here on stream. This is no. Boom is lost now the value area low on the weekly. It's not giving us anything. Whiffy coin. This is another one that I've been looking at. We really want to start to see this, see some reclaims. What we got down here on the 3 minute. HFT. Also, if you want to comment an alt which looks like really nice volatility right now, please comment it in the comment section. I'm happy to like check out some altcoins if people know of an absolute banger. Happy to be looking at that too. So JTO. So this looks like one that could be coming into the back tests. What we can do here is pull this like as a little local range. Oof. We really would want to see a bit more of a rally. Would want to see this as a little bit more of a rally, but overall, this is a bullish coin. Yes, let me check Bonk coin a second. Someone's given me an option of Bonk coin, so I am going to look at Bonk a second. I think I have this in my watch list somewhere. Bonk, let me see. I do agree Bonk is overall very nice area. Yeah, let's line up another trade here on Bonk. I'll be looking for it to take this low one more time, to be honest with you. Back test that point of control. So Bonk lined up for a trade. We're just waiting for this little bit more to back test that point of control once more. What else we got commented in here? Beer coin. Beer coin is like a really insane one to trade, by the way. So yeah, I'd be looking for Beer coin. We've lost the value area high, lost the point of control. Value area low here on Beer coin. We'll be looking for that long. So we're looking for these aggressive trades, but we still want to be like looking for the best entry, right? I'll be looking to take this long if we can hit that value area low on stream today. Another comment of Rose. So let's take a look at Rose coin. I think, yes, I have. Rose coin, another very bullish looking coin. Let me see this. Into the CC. Lost the point of control. This mini range. Value area high, point of control, value area high, CC retest. Let's see the anchored view up from this. So the anchored view up just below. Yeah, I think I'll be looking for this 3%, 5%. Would be nice to see this anchored view. You see how we ever so slightly front run the value area high here? We could look for this anchored view up on the value area high, joining up together. So that would look like this. This makes its way up. Anchor value area high here. This makes its way down, takes out this low, swing failure pattern, entry, reversal. So you see, that's what we got the idea here on Rose. So that's what I'll be looking at there on Rose coin. I do one for the Cardano fans. Let's be honest, Cardano doesn't look good, my friends. Cardano really doesn't look good here. It has lost pretty much everything. Yeah, I wanted to help you out, Cardano fans, but I'm sorry, Cardano for me, no trade. This is not looking good. I will take a look at Sheeb, yes. Let me see if we got anything on AVAX here. I also need to keep our eyes on Bitcoin, right? So clear this up a little bit. I think Jasmine might be one of the most interesting here that we might actually have a trade on. This is a coin that moves very, very volatile. So this really looks like a little bit of a head and shoulders, right? So there's the shoulder, there's the shoulder, there's the shoulder, head and shoulders. This would give us a target. Hi, hello. Look at that. This head and shoulders actually gives a target on the anchored VWAP here. Could be a really, really nice target on Jasmine. Head and shoulders target on the anchored VWAP. Really nice confluence there on Jasmine. Let me see Pepe again. Pepe bounced to BUR. And I'll look to short Jasmine if we come up to the monthly on a back test. Because then you got the anchor, you got the VWAP on there too. Really liking Beercoin if it can come down here, please. Might have to short it now to just bring it down. People coin. Yeah, we obviously are fairly late in the session, right? A lot of these have moved down very heavily already. Next time we might do this stream a little bit earlier. Today was a busy day though for me. So this is the thing, right? Intraday bias is bearish. So we are looking for downside continuation. So the problem that we have here, of course, is everything has already moved down so much. So it's hard to get into some of these intraday shorts because we're already down a lot of these coins 10, 20% to the downside, right? So we don't have too much opportunity here today. This is a good thing, right? We're going to be doing this at least twice a week and we will have something come up. And let me see. Let me pop out a chat. Obrigado, SK1. We are going to be looking at gracias, REQ. Let's take a look at REQ. REQ coming into some support, apparently. Let's see that on the perpetual swaps. Oh, really nice chart. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. So I would view this as like a local range. We have a much bigger range. We've lost all support. Really does look like it's going to come down more, to be honest with you. I would say, look at this anchored VWAP value area low liquidity. I would say Requiem is going to be coming down more. I don't think we're going to get a trade here on stream. I do agree this is nice support, but it is still fairly far away. And do not think we'll get this one on stream, but that's what I'd be waiting for at this moment in time. Let me just see what we can see locally. We obviously had the bigger CC. We've lost it. Yeah, so don't have anything here on stream for you today, but we'll keep that alert set. That's where I'd be looking for next. Flocky. Really trying to find something here off of this point of control, right? Problem is lack of confluence, my friends. Really big lack of confluence. We really don't have anything here. We have the point of control, but that's it. And even though it's an aggressive account, we still would like to see a few things lining up, right? Popcat, VWAP. Could look this up to what's it, like 5% bounce. I mean, this is ultra aggressive, but we could have a very speculative Gartley here. Again, I'm not really keen on any of this confluence. Basically, I would just be trading on off of expecting lower. Any other suggestions, chat? Let me know. Bobo. Let's take a look at Bobo coin. I'll take a look at Bobo coin. We don't have it on Bybit, so I'm only going to be trading. Oh, maybe we. No, I don't think we have Bobo on Bybit. It doesn't seem like so. Not on Bybit. I cannot be trading it. No, so no, I can't look at Bobo coin, unfortunately. When has now lost weekly, lost value area low. Good look for something off of here, SFP, right? When looks good for a swing failure pattern type trade. Might see that on stream. Not that far to go. Things are very close to entry. If we wait long enough, we'll get it. Phantom. So this is what you would call like an ultra good. So yeah, we lost this anchored VWAP. You can see the first touch that anchored VWAP gave like a 6% bounce. I've now lost that. Doesn't look too promising, to be honest with you. But I mean, this is something that we could be very aggressive on. This is a very low term time frame trade. The invalidation is also very clear. So this is not USDT. It's really simply looking for this. I don't want to be trading on times 10 leverage. Looking for about 1.4% stop, so we go and go on here about 1.5032. Let me just double check BTC. Yeah, let's go for it. So this is a really what? Why can I not trade this contract? Really strange. I've never had this glitch, but apparently I cannot trade this contract with my account. I have no idea, chat, but I wanted a long knot, but apparently I cannot. No idea, but really simply, I am going to need to message Bybit support about this because I don't know why I cannot long this. Why? The reason, really simply, why I wanted a long here is I'm talking about less or around a 1% invalidation. Target would be the VWAP. Okay, so I'm looking for around 1% loss to like 1.5% gain. That's the trade, but I think it's going to come without me now, and I honestly don't know why. This is obviously a brand new account, but I don't know why I cannot trade this contract, to be honest with you. Yeah, I really don't know why I can't trade this. I've never had this glitch in my life. This was a brand new account created, but I've never had this on an account where I can't trade a contract. So yeah, you see, I'm trying to enter this trade, but for some reason there is a glitch on the account, and I really don't know why. No, I'm really really don't know why, but yeah, it's kind of annoying because it looks like it's going to come up without us now. But I don't know. I'm going to just have to take a print screen of this and remember to check this out because Let me just take a print screen of the whole page. Well, first stream. Okay, you'll have to bear with me. I honestly have no idea why this is glitching. I have no idea. This never happened to me before. So, I'm very sorry that there is this glitch. But we're already at moving up a percent. It's kind of annoying because I do think this would have been a really nice trade. But apparently not for me, because I could not enter, and I have no idea why. No, I honestly have no idea why this not able to trade it. But let's try and find something else. So I guess because I'm honestly very confused why I cannot trade it. I have no idea. That's a question for Bybit support. Kind of sad. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to trade anything if that's giving me a glitch on that coin. We'll try and find out. I'm basically going to be looking for a short here on Brett, off of the anchored, off of the session view app, back tested at daily. I might just try and enter a limit order on some other coin, random coin, a second to just see if it's glitched out for everything. What else can I look to trade here a second? Let's find out whether everything's glitched for me. What else is it interesting? That's kind of made me sad. I thought I found a really nice setup then. No. I'm genuinely confused. I honestly have no idea why my account would not be able to trade, but yeah. Okay, Rune. Is this another SFP type trade? I think we have another SFP type trade. I'm just going to try and trade Rune because I know this is definitely like a large market cap. So let's just see. Maybe it's to do with position size. That's all I can think of. Maybe. I'm just going to try and enter this because I'm more actually interested whether I can enter a trade. Let's see, my friends. Let's just try and enter not on times 10 leverage. I've learned my mistake on that. Let's see. No, look at it. You see, I've tried to enter another long on Rune and it's the same error. I cannot enter a trade. That is ultra strange. I have no idea. Honestly, I'm no idea. But this would have been another long, exactly the same reason as not swing failure pattern at the low, easy invalidation around 1%. And again, we would have been looking for a rise of around 3%. Really nice risk to reward ratio. Simple trade. And I have no idea, but I cannot enter any long. So, well, here we go. Live stream, live trading number 1. I tried to take 2 trades and I've been blocked out of the account for some reason. So I might just call it early because I don't know. I really don't know why I wouldn't be able to take any trades. I need to speak to Bybit support, to be honest with you. Take off post only, someone says. Nope. Refresh page. Let's try it again. What were we looking at? We were looking at let's just do 10%. Like, this is only $9,000. It's not why we call it a big site. No, I don't know. Somebody says click the pop-ups. I'm clicking the pop-ups. Ah, man. I'm just trying to see if I can contact someone really quickly, because I do have some contacts. So let me just bear with me a second and I'll see if anyone's online. Ah, blah, 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 blah. Look at it. Look at it go. It's pumping without us. Yay. So sad. So sad. That would have been a win. Very, very sad. Let me just see what Not is doing. Maybe I'm getting counter traded by Bybit. They don't want me to take any wins here. Not is also pumping. Yay, we missed 2 pumps. Well, I missed 2 pumps. So simple reasons of trades, to be honest with you. Just simple swing failure pattern. But both Not and Rune have just started to pump. And I did not get in because apparently I cannot enter any trades, and I have no idea why. Well, chat, I'm very sorry about this. There you go. I am up 8% on Rune thanks to your call, Master Dan. Well, at least some people are doing well. You've done better than me because for some reason I am unable to take that trade. So there we go. You know what? I think I might just call it. What I'm gonna do, chat, is I will probably just wrap this one up quick. We'll class this as the introduction of the series. Today will be an introductional video. This will be introduction. I need to get this glitch sorted because I honestly have no idea why. And yeah, I want to take trades on stream, and if for some reason the account's glitched, I can't take a trade, well, there's no point me being here on the stream. So I will go and get this fixed, and next time, which will be this week, I probably will be able to get it fixed in a half an hour. Well, I just need to speak to someone. That's the problem here. I'll get this fixed and we'll be back on stream again this week. That is 100%. So yeah, this was the introduction to the live trading streams, where we wanted to come over here, look at the charts, be aggressive, take some trades. Again, we have the aggressive count set up, which is what we are trading through this right now. And then on top of the aggressive account, I also have a conservative account set up, which is on here, where I'm taking those slow trades, not very aggressive, right? And that's the way I'm running it. The reason I'm running this is because I want to show you live on stream the thought process, the taking of the trades, the growing of the accounts. Truly, there are just simply too many scammers, people faking results you wouldn't believe. So yeah, this is the only way to build transparency, trust in an honest way. So that's why I'm doing this. I'll go get this account fixed. We will be back later this week to continue this series. I am very sorry that this glitch happened. I really have no idea why, to be honest with you. Don't have any idea. So yeah, I'm just going to wrap it up there rather than waste any more time. I say thank you ever so much. This is video 1 introduction. Video 2, we come back with no glitches. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, be reminded, live trading part, we could call it part 1.5 because it should be today. We'll be back with you as soon as I get this glitch sorted, to be honest with you, which will probably be later today. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this nevertheless. ending on a bit of a sad note, but I do think we will get this sorted very quickly. I just need to find out what's going on there. And yeah, if you want to see tomorrow, I have a live trading stream with Igor and Severin. So if you want to see me, Igor, and Severin live trading tomorrow, the Power Hour, we will be doing that live stream together tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, this is for the Champions Power Hour, where we'll be trading the futures. Well, Severin and Eagle will primarily be focused on futures, so the NQ, the ES. I'll be more focused on crypto. And yeah, you'll see the three of us on stream together trading the Power Hour. So if that's of interest, you can check that out via Chart Champions membership. For you guys here on the public view, I'll be back later this week once I got this glitch sorted on Bybit that will actually then let me take some trades. That would be nice, right? So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you ever so much. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, tick the bell, and I'll be back once I got that glitch fixed. Thank you ever so much. Cheers. I'll see you very shortly. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye.